In the world of quality improvement, data is the raw material used to understand and refine processes. However, not all data is created equal. As outlined in Chapter 9, quality professionals must distinguish between two primary types of numerical data to select the correct analytical tools: attribute data and variable data. First, let's look at attribute data. This is often referred to as countable or discrete data. It represents information where all possible outcomes are distinctly identified as integers, meaning fractional values are not possible. Think of it as does or does not exist information. Common examples of attribute data include bypass/fail results, PyBic yes/no determinations, PyBic the presence or absence of a specific defect, IC specific count, such as 162 defects in a production line. When we use attribute data in quality control, we are typically looking at the proportion of items that fail to meet a standard. Specialized control charts are used for this type of data, such as count charts, quality score charts, or demerit charts. Now, let's pivot to variable data. Unlike attribute data, variable data results from the measurement of a continuous parameter. These values can be expressed in fractions or decimals because they exist on a continuous scale. Common examples of variable data include phi per pic physical dimensions, such as .ET075 inches, by pic weight, such as 16 ounces, by lapsed time or duration, temperature readings. Variable data is generally considered more sophisticated for analysis because it reveals the specific magnitude of a characteristic rather than just a binary, good or bad, status. Control charts for variables data allow teams to monitor the stability and predictability of a process with a high degree of precision. Why does this distinction matter? The type of data you collect dictates which control chart or statistical tool you must use. Using the wrong tool for your data type can lead to inaccurate conclusions about process stability. By mastering the difference between the countable nature of attribute data and the measurable nature of variable data, quality improvement associates ensure they are managing by fact rather than perception. This clarity is the foundation for achieving operational excellence and delivering products that consistently meet customer requirements.